So Cody Willenberg, CW Motorsports in Effingham, Illinois. We specialize in remanufacturing Polaris RZR engines and transmissions and differentials. When the industry started changing on cleaning the parts as well as they are over painting, you start doing a little research to see what equipment out there is to do it. And what I found out was, vapor honing was first class, and that's the way we decided to go with our first machine. This will be my third vapor hone.
So we just got back from dealing with the Gladiator. What was your first impression?
Well, first of all, it looks amazing. It's super cool looking. The way it blasts and the way it cleans and how fast it's going to be is going to be really crucial to us. And I think we're going to get a lot better finish than we were getting before. So industry's changing for sure, and this is going to put us one step in front of the next guy.